Salut tout le monde, merci d'avoir envoyé vos questions aujourd'hui. Donc, je suis prête à répondre. Donc, j'espère que vous allez être satisfaits. Alors, allons-y.
Alors, on commence avec la première. C'est quelle joueuse ou joueur que tu aimerais jouer avec qui en double?
Je crois que je pourrais dire, je jouais dans les juniors avec Caroline Wozniacki, puis on avait beaucoup de fun sur le terrain. En plus, nos noms qui faisaient tout le temps confusion. Fait que c'était drôle pour les fans, les partisans au tournoi. Donc, je crois que de rejouer avec Caroline, ça serait génial.
Puis être loin toujours de la maison, tu es toujours dans tes bagages, tu voyages. Comment tu fais pour gérer tout ce stress ou tout
Ouais, ça peut être lourd, toujours semaine après semaine, faire les bagages, défaire les valises et tout, les aéroports, les hôtels, c'est pas toujours le fun, même si ça a l'air très glamour. J'aime beaucoup faire des choses, tu sais, comme juste aller au cinéma ou bien, des fois, aux compétitions, on a des fêtes des joueuses, donc c'est tout le temps fun de sortir, divertir, puis de voir les autres filles. Puis aussi, tu sais, juste prendre une soirée relax, faire d'autres choses, comme là, dernièrement, j'étais invitée à visiter l'avion de l'armée, le US Air Force, le plus grand avion. C'était génial cette visite-là, très spéciale. Donc, des trucs comme ça.
Puis tu as changé de raquette cette année. Tu as passé de Yonex à Babola. Qu'est-ce que la nouvelle raquette amène à ton jeu ou pourquoi le changement?
J'étais avec Yonex 8 ans, donc c'était le temps pour faire un petit changement. Après, tu sais, j'avais ma blessure pendant 10 mois. À l'avant-bras, une tendinite. Donc, maintenant, tu sais, je voulais juste changer. Puis, avec Babola, je me sens bien sur le terrain. C'est une raquette très stable, très bonne. Donc, tu sais, puis ça continue. Ça continue à bien aller. Là, j'ai pas de douleur ou rien.
So we'll do a few questions in English because
Alright.
you have a lot of English fans too.
Yeah, well, thank you all for sending a question. So, we'll start now.
Who are your favorite players from when you were growing up and in today's game?
Yeah, I remember when my dad was recording all the matches from the Grand Slam on videotapes when I would miss them, because I had the early bedtime curfew. So I remember watching, a lot of Monica Seles. She was my idol, and she still is. In all those big matches, she was playing Steffi Graf. Martina Hingis came in. And now, tennis now has changed a lot. I think it's more powerful, stronger. You need to do fitness every day compared to before. It was a lot different. And so, yeah, pretty much now it's, Monica Seles, I still think of her. And now it's a big competition on the WTA Tour. So I think everyone is good and got their chance to be the best. And so it's exciting. So, yeah, competing against all of them.
And obviously you're having a great year so far. Your ranking's back up to 56. How close are you to being back to your form in 2009 when you were 21? How close are you?
Yeah, I think my game totally is progressing at every single tournament every week, so it's really exciting and it's moving quickly up. And the Olympics coming up, I really want to be there, and I think I'm pretty close to where I was, but I think I'm coming back differently. And I think stronger than before, and the reason of that is, Tennis Canada, their support. I'm allowed to take my dad on the competitions, which is tremendous, big difference. He can always keep improving my game, and he sees what I need to constantly improve and stuff. So right away, those little details make a big difference in my game, and the confidence obviously comes with that. And so I'm feeling really good on the court, and so I think hopefully I can beat that ranking of 21 in the world.
We think you're going to, that's for sure.
Thank you.
You're on your way. And you've said many times that your big goal for this year is playing the Olympics.
Yeah.
What would it mean to you to represent Canada in London?
As an athlete, to know you made it to the Olympics is like, I can't even describe it because I'm still not there. But if for an athlete, it's so important. For me, it's very important to represent my country the best that I can. It's like a big privilege to represent Canada. It's the biggest sport event in the world, the Olympics, and it's just for an athlete very special, and it would be really exciting. It's a privilege. You're there because you own your spot, and you're there with the best in the world, and it's time you fight for that medal for your country and for your fans. So.
Well, we certainly hope you're going to be there because we know that you'll do us very proud. Thanks
I'll
a
do
lot.
my best. Thank you, guys.